Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about very important shortcut which is available on Jupyter Notebook. So here my first shortcut is control enter. So control enter means I want to execute current cell code. Here I have written shift enter. Shift enter, you have to execute current cell code as well as your pointer will moved into next cell, or if you don't have any next cell you will get a new cell. So alt enter is used to execute your current cell code, and it will add a new blank line. If I'm utilizing this shortcut control plus forward slash, so this shortcut is used to comment your current line. If my pointer is on line number 5, so that line number 5 will be commented. So here B is used to take a new line, new cell, not new line. So here I'm just writing cell. Okay. So these are used of the shortcuts. So I'm just going to do practical. So here is my first line. I have written one variable myval. In myval I have stored 20, and here I'm writing myval, and here I'm writing your val. If I'm putting my pointer here and pressing control enter, so only this cells will be executed. So I'm just pressing control enter. So see here, you are getting output as a 20. Your pointer is not moved into this one. Okay. Now, so I'm just removing this output. You have to go to cell, all output, and you have to go to clear. Now, if my pointer is here and I'm pressing shift enter. So here you are looking your pointer on this cell. But whenever I will press shift enter, your pointer will move into this cell. So see here, shift enter. So see here, code executed and pointer moved into second cell. So see here, pointer is here. This blue color means your pointer is here. Suppose if I'm putting my pointer into this cell, I don't have any other cell here. So at that time, if you press shift enter, you will get a new cell, new blank cell. See here, this code is executed and you are getting new blank cell. Now here I'm just talking about one more shortcut, which is a X. Here no need to put your pointer within a cell. You can put your pointer where you have output. So I'm putting my pointer here. I'm putting my pointer here and press X. So your cell will be deleted. So my pointer is on this cell. So see here, that's deleted. I have pressed X only. Again I'm pressing X. Now your pointer is here, so this cell will be deleted. See here. Now whenever I will press B, B means I'm adding a new cell. No code will be executed. As of now I'm just removing the output of the code. So my output of the code is 20, so it's removed. Now if I'm putting my pointer, you have to pointer should be not into this cell. You have to write, you have to press B. So B means you are adding new blank cell. Okay. Now one more shortcut, which is a adding new cell, but your code will be executed first, then it will add a new cell. So as of now you are getting new cell through the B, but if you want to execute this code and then you need to add new cell, at that time you have to press alt enter. So I'm just removing this cell using X, and then here I'm writing my val 20 and print, and here I'm writing my val. And if I press here Alt Enter, this code will be executed, and you will get a blank cell as well. So I'm pressing Alt Enter. So see here, you are getting new blank cell, and this code is executed. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.